Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix unidentified network no internet access on your Windows. If you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. So first, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl and cpa.cpl control panel item. Simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you need to locate your connection or your Wi-Fi. Make a right click and then select properties. Now here in the properties window, you'll find this Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. And here in the IPv4 properties, you will find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. For the preferred DNS server, type in here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type in here 8.8.4.4. So this is the Google's DNS, one of the greatest DNS. Simply click on OK and close this, and also close this window. Well, for the next method is we also need to make sure that our network driver is updated. So make a right click at the start button and then you have to select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the network adapters, and here you need to locate your connection. Make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. Now Windows has successfully updated your driver. Simply close this and also close this window. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method, we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. Now you have to click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now here in this block window, simply follow me for the commands. First command, netsh space winsock space reset. It's netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS. We're going to flush the DNS. Hit enter. Now successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. So we need to type the last command, ipconfig space forward slash renew. Hit enter. And type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the final method, click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find network and internet. You'll find advanced network settings. Click on that. And under more settings, you'll find network reset. So this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. Click on the reset now button and you will have to click on yes. And this will restart your Windows. And after that, you just need to enter your connection password, and that's it. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.